Hello and welcome to this weight gain video. If you're someone who struggles to put on weight, don't worry, you're not alone. In a world where thin is often glorified, it can be challenging to find helpful resources and support for those who want to gain weight. But the truth is, being underweight can have negative impacts on your health and well-being, just like being overweight can. Being underweight can cause fatigue, weakness, and an increased risk of infections. It can also lead to malnutrition, which can cause a range of health problems, including weakened immune function, decreased muscle mass, and an increased risk of bone fractures. If you're looking to gain weight, it's important to do so in a healthy and sustainable way. This means increasing your calorie intake with nutrient-dense foods and engaging in regular physical activity to build muscle mass. In this video, we'll be focusing on the dietary component of weight gain. We'll be sharing tips and tricks for increasing your calorie intake, as well as a sample diet chart to help you get started. Remember, the key to healthy weight gain is consistency and balance. So, whether you're looking to gain weight for health reasons, athletic performance, or simply to feel more confident in your body, we're here to help. Let's get started. The first step to gaining weight is to increase your calorie intake. This doesn't mean you have to eat junk food all day, but you do need to eat more than your body burns. Here's a diet chart that you can follow to help you gain weight. Remember to adjust the portion sizes based on your personal needs. For breakfast, try having 2 slices of whole wheat toast with peanut butter, a cup of Greek yogurt, and a banana. Whole wheat toast provides complex carbohydrates, which are a good source of energy. Peanut butter is a good source of healthy fats and protein, which will help you feel full and satisfied. Greek yogurt is high in protein and calcium, which is important for maintaining healthy bones. The banana provides additional carbohydrates and potassium, which is essential for proper muscle function. For lunch, try having a turkey and cheese sandwich on whole wheat bread with a side of carrot sticks and hummus. The turkey and cheese provide protein, while the whole wheat bread provides complex carbohydrates. The carrot sticks and hummus provide additional fiber and healthy fats, which will help you feel full and satisfied. For snacks, try having a handful of mixed nuts or a protein shake. Nuts are high in healthy fats, which will help you feel full and satisfied. Protein shakes provide a quick and easy source of protein, which is important for building and repairing muscle. For dinner, try having grilled chicken with a side of brown rice and steamed vegetables. The chicken provides protein, while the brown rice provides complex carbohydrates. The vegetables provide additional fiber and micronutrients, which are important for overall health. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day and to listen to your body. If you're still hungry after a meal, don't be afraid to have a healthy snack. In summary, gaining weight requires a consistent increase in calorie intake and a balanced diet that includes healthy sources of protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Use this diet chart as a starting point and adjust it based on your personal needs and preferences. With dedication and consistency, you can achieve your weight gain goals in a healthy and sustainable way. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you found the information and tips helpful as you pursue your weight gain goals.